Hi viewers, welcome back. Today, let me show you how to check your battery status using a simple CMD command. To begin with, press the key combination Windows plus R to open the Run dialog box. Type CMD, then press Enter. In the command prompt window, type the following command and hit Enter. Windows will automatically generate a battery report for your laptop. You'll see the location where the report is saved. The report is saved in your User folder. Open File Explorer. Go to Local Disk C. Then Users, your username, and open batteryreport.html. Here, you can check your battery percentage, usage history, and battery health details. And that's it. If you found this helpful, like the video, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more CMD tips.